Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Design Models. Showcasing here today the 71 Sox and Martin season car. This is the 71 version Pro Stock. Guys, I don't have my tripod. I got a couple injections in my ankles today for some severe deep pain, burning, arthritis, and scar tissue, so I'm kind of limited. So I'm trying to hold as best I can. I'm not, sometimes I'm shakes the builder. I don't even know how I get these things together. Interior wood grain wheel. Did the dash over there, some wood grain. I got the cluster gauges, tech dash, 4-speed. Jake King and the boys. Ronnie Sox and Bobby Martin wouldn't have it any other way. This is the GTS blue. This is what I use on all my Sox cars. Pinstripes too. They're a little off, but look guys, I eyeball this stuff. I can't really get around them like some people does and scale it out and measure it and scale it out. I just, I've always been a pert near guy. Hell, pert near close, narrow down. I got the keystones on for sure. This is the vintage kit. Guys, I don't save them. You send me to Grumpy Jenkins Vega, I'm gonna build it. I build models. I don't save them, collect dust, and let the decals rot in the box. These decals are the kits. I had to coat them. I got decal sealer ordered on eBay. Aluminum tank strut. I use steel paint with aluminum flat. White headers with aluminum tops on them there. Tubes, whatever you call them, collectors. Underquarters, so I do all of it together. And guys, it's wired 16 plugs. Check it out. Dual coil. 8 plugs each side. And yeah, 4 plugs from each cap to each side. This isn't one cap going to this side and one cap to that. They're split. They did that for redundancy. You pour the line, they do a burnout, and the thing stalls, it dies. It may have fouled a plug wire, a coil wire burnt, who knows, It happens, and the guy's sitting there dead in the water. Ronnie Sox and the boys and the fellas at Chrysler came up with these. Some of you Mopar cats will know this more about this, but they came up with a dual distributor. And I'm pretty sure Buddy Martin helped some of the design of that. Explain what he wanted. The flip of a switch on the line in the bleach box or wherever this thing died and stalled. They crank it once or twice. If this bad boy didn't fire, they threw the switch and they went to the backup redundant unit, and it saved them a lot of races. There's the blue headlights. Clear blue over that chrome they send, so they come out decent. There you are, the boss. Ronnie Sox. We got bare metal foil trim all the way around. Tight end, super stock E-class eliminator. Would have ran in a 4-speed class. Tail lights, I did use those. It comes with a clear lens, so you're cool there. And that's pretty much her, fellas. All paint, with the exception of the Sox and Martin decals and the logos. It's red paint, Tamiya red, Tamiya gloss white. This is Model Master GTS blue. Another good looking color for this, guys, is that Deja Vu blue. Look it up once. It's awful pretty, man, and close. If I had Deja Vu, I probably would have used it. But this is the GTS blue. So, it's pretty much there. Carter keys. You got your tack there. But I put a couple extra logos. I'm from Ohio originally. I lived there for 41 years. So, of course, drag strip 42 is where I seen this Cuda run. And I got a Lions drag strip on here too. They ran up Michigan quite a bit. When they came to the East Coast, these guys got it on. They were always hunting them goddamn other fellas and Mopars and Grumpy Jenkins. They was always gunning for Grumpy. anytime you be grumpy on a Sunday, you had a good day. So Chrysler, they say, God dang it, we're going to get that grumpy feller. And they come up with the Hemis. But there you go. Hope you like it. I got to bounce. My mom's here. I can't stay on this stool all day. My leg's dangling. I'm doing all right, guys. I'm back, I'll be back up walking in a day or so. So I'm kind of stumbling now, but I'll be back in the game. Anyways, Socks of Martin, Jo Han, 71 Cuda. Laid out, wired. Like I said, 16 plugs, 2 coils. 18 plug wires and boots in there, guys. Yeah, I looked it up. I found their engine. Yeah, okay, let's not get into it, Mopar guys. All right, you guys, let's not start fighting over this engine color. I like Hemi Orange Blue. I mean, as well as Hemi Orange Red. I looked. I found 2 engines with blue and a whole bunch of engines orange. Jake King had it his way, they'd be blue. However, Chrysler wanted Hemi Orange, so that's what they got. Whenever Jake rebuilt the engines, he used Ford. He had leftover Ford blue paint from the Ford days, and that's what he used. That's the story I got. That's the one I read in their book. Personal preference. If you like blue, paint it blue, bro. That's cool. Shake, rattle, and roll with that can. I'm good. I went with orange, so. Anyways. Hope you like it. Good luck. These stripes and this paint scheme is one of the hardest ones I do. I ain't kidding you. I do some wild paint jobs and stuff, but this one here, if you mess this up, I honest to God, look. See the line? You can see a line. I should have brought this down. Hang on. I'll say, hold on there, Baba Louie. Remember him? 1965 cartoon. Hanna-Barbera. Hold on there, Baba Louie. I should have brought this down here. Right along this line here. If you look close, you can't see a natural line in this roof line right here. I missed it by that much. And I ain't reshooting it. I'm sorry, fellers. I ain't pro. Look, I even got a little jag right there. Now if this was going in a contest, yeah, I got 5 of these kits. I'd probably bust this one out, leave it, reshoot a body, drop it on this chassis and motor and such. But I'll probably end up selling this to a friend or next to a friend, or I don't know, I might list it on eBay. I got a Camaro on there now. Yeah, you see, I did the RS Camaro, didn't I? The RS Super Sport. I think I got a video up. If I don't, I'll put one up, guys. Anyways, look, I'm out of here. I got to go. I can't afford to let my ankle start throbbing again and get flamed. It happened last week. I thought I had a sinkhole. Oh, yeah. 21 inches round. And it was about 8 to 9 foot deep. Turned out it was a palm tree that had rotted in the hole where somebody cut it at ground level and buried it some. It rotted, it collapsed, and it caused a giant hole. Lord have mercy. I thought it was swallowing a block in Lake Davis, too. Taking a golf course with them. Wouldn't have bothered me there, but I have missed that bass pond. Anyway, so I was out in the cold, damp rain arguing with this county commissioner on where the boundary line was. Thank God they fixed it. It was looking about $4 or $5 grand. That's about $4 or $5 grand more than I got. Okay, guys. Look up Dragway 42. They're back up and racing, West Salem, Ohio. I don't think Lions is, but there you go. Okay? Yeah, all right. Some of you guys, I know they had this on the Roadrunners and stuff. I like them. I found one picture where it had it on there, but it was a 70, so I put the shields on it. Came in a kit. It came with the decals. What the heck? Anyways, all right. Peace. I got to bounce. Take care. Any questions, comments? Appreciate them all. Lay it on me. Good, bad, either, and partial. Any builds going on, let me know. I'd like to get in one just to contribute to somebody's. So you guys take care of one another. Have a great time. Pop any questions. Man, if I can help you, you guys, I will. Take care and have a good night. Bye-bye.